Friends with benefits. It always seems like such a good idea, doesn't it? Easy, simple, no strings attached, no commitment, just pure, unadulterated fun. And you know, it often seems to work for a while. Who needs the complications of a commitment anyway? Grown-up words like accountability and responsibility belong in lecture halls, not in the bedroom. And life is about enjoyment. It's about theme parks, vacations, chocolate, the beach, sipping a cold drink on a hot summer's day. And on top of that list is giving yourself up and letting your hair down in the presence of someone you trust and who you have the hots for. Picture this. You're at your parents' house and you get that text. You know the one with the secret code words like make cookies, do laundry, show tonight. You secretly smile to yourself and text back a resounding yes, because you know you're in for a rockin' evening. And then you gladly accept that extra piece of dessert and happily endure that lecture you're getting from your parents about when are you going to become a responsible adult. Everything is bliss. But then things unravel faster than you can say unravel, because somehow this arrangement starts to feel like a relationship. And it turns out that maybe you do care about some of those adult words like responsibility and accountability. And to those you add one more word, expectations. Why is he going out with that other girl? I thought we had a good thing going. He didn't even want to talk afterwards. He just did his thing and left. Yikes, now there's a real problem. Two sets of expectations, his and hers. Now more adult words creep into the equation. Confusion, frustration, anger, resentment. And part of the issue is, this type of relationship is different for men and women. Guys are often able to separate the physical from the emotional. For a guy, being involved in a friends with benefits relationship means just that. It's a friend he can have sex with without any complications or expectations. And that's why he often is the one to propose the arrangement. But why would he do that instead of committing to something more serious? 3 reasons. 1. The girl he's hot for does not want to get serious herself. 2. The arrangement is convenient. 3. He's too lazy to find himself a real girlfriend. 4. He knows the girl's going to be willing. As far as women are concerned, sure, there are a few of you out here who feel the same way, but you are few and far between. So for the rest of you, here's a simple rule to follow. If you're considering a friends with benefits arrangement because you're hoping it might develop into something more, or because you'll take any kind of relationship you can get with the guy you're head over heels for, then walk away. In fact, run away as fast as you can. Because the guy is not thinking what you're thinking. He already knows how serious he wants to be, even if the sex is amazing. And that's why he proposed a friends with benefits relationship in the first place. A few final words. Friends with benefits doesn't really work for either gender because intimacy is complicated, filled with expectations, responsibility, and accountability. Words used by grown-ups having real relationships.